In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change calendar color on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up calendar app. And then let's say if we tap at some day, in my case it is January 26, we can see that some events marked with different colors. That's because that events belongs to different calendars. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily change calendars colors. So guys, first off, if we get into some event, it will show us to which calendar this event belongs. And then when we know the calendar name, we can tap right here at calendars, then search for that calendar in that list. In my case it is home. And now all we have to do in order to change that calendar's color is just tap at the I button next to it. And that's where we can easily find color. In my case it is orange. However, if we get into it, we'll be able to change its color simply by selecting any other color from that list. After that, don't forget to tap at Done to save the changes. As you can see, home calendar color has been changed, and then if we head over to that particular day, we can find out that now that event marked with another color. And also, if you would like to change event's color, you can just move that event to another calendar. Let's say I would like to change color for event 2. I can get into it. Then I can tap at calendar. And after that, I can just move it to another calendar. And then if we head over back to our events, we can see that now it marked with different color. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.